Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Riders Republic game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can configure or customize your control settings for this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Riders Republic game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, if you wish to customize your control settings, then simply pause the game by pressing the start button, and then go into options. From the options page, use the left or right bumper to go into the controller menu. Here you will find the controller mapping option, which you can enter in order to redefine all of your keys that is assigned within the game. Just highlight any control, press the A button, and once you are prompted, you can press your desired new button. You also have various different controller presets that you can choose, ranging from the Racer, the Trickster, and the Steep presets. You can find the button assignments at the right side for each of these presets as well. Then underneath you have the keyboard control rebinding option. You can enter this in order to change the controls or keys that have been assigned to your keyboard. Just go into any option and then press enter, and you will be asked to enter your desired button once again. Just press your desired key and it will be set right away. You also have various different control schemes or vehicle types that you can choose from. Once you are done setting your buttons, make sure to save your changes and then go back. You can now continue to play your game with your customized controls right away. And if at any point you wish to change it in the future, you can once again follow the same steps. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Riders Republic game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.